on the uses of a MIG welder. One little trick I'd like to show you today is when you're in a position where a stud or a bolt has accidentally sheared off inside an engine block or any other metal component, the MIG welder can be a useful tool to remove the sheared item. What I've done is I've prepared this. It's a piece of bolt simply sawn off on a nut to show you how to do it. Now what we're going to do is, if you imagine you've been trying to undo this and it's broken the bolt off, leaving the piece inside the threaded metal. How do we get that out to put a new bolt in? Let me show you. We're going to use an old nut and quite simply lay this nut over the sheared bolt and puddle weld through the nut to join the two together. This has two effects. Firstly, it joins the nut to the threaded piece of bolt to give us something to get hold of to unscrew it, and secondly, the heat of the welding will help to release that seized part of thread from there. Okay, let's try again. Ready? Right, mind your eyes. There we can see that's got the whole thing nice and cherry red. So let's try a spanner on the nut. There we have our piece of broken bolt or stud safely removed and the threaded area ready for use again.